Hey, I'm Sarah, and these are my two little barking puppies that I have. They bark anytime anybody comes to the front door, if they hear the garage door open, kids make a loud noise, always barking. So I am very excited to try this out. I was sent this barking deterrent. What it is it's plugged into a USB-C, and it actually has two different notifications that it tells the dogs that it's going to send off an ultrasonic sound for them. It has a bright strobe light that warns them, and then there's 3 different levels based on the size of your dog or how much you're wanting to send off that sound that will then tell them stop barking. So we're going to turn this on and we will look at it and we will try it out with the dogs and see what they think. So here's this device up close. It has 3 different settings. You've got your 15, 20, or 30 that you can put it on for how strong you want it. It actually comes with mounting hardware, and this just folds down or comes back up based on however you want to mount it or not mount it. It is IP65 weather rated, so it can be outside as well. So if you wanted to put it outside, that's perfectly fine. You can do that. It has a range up to 33 feet. So if you have this anywhere within 33 feet, the dog will be able to hear it. And then you've got your charging cable here that just plugs into the side right here. It'll take about 2 hours to fully charge, and then it should be good for about 30 days. So let's go plug it in. Before we do that, I want to show you the lights that come on. Whenever we turn that on, it gives them this warning. And then if they start barking, then it will send off the sound for them.